I'm standing in one of the red light districts here in Manila, and what's happening around me right now is directly connected to something most men think is harmless: pornography. What happens on a screen doesn't stay on a screen. It trains our minds, it shapes desire, and eventually it demands something real. And places like this exist because there is demand. Behind every light, every transaction, and even every doorway, there's a story. And many of these women didn't choose this life the way people think. There's coercion, poverty, manipulation, and in many cases, trafficking. The lie is this: it's just porn. It's not hurting anyone, but it is. It fuels an industry. It creates demand, and demand drives exploitation. For too long, men have been told we're the problem. But the truth is, men are the solution. When men awake to righteousness, when men walk by the Spirit, when men take responsibility for what they consume and reckon themselves dead to sin, darkness loses its power. This isn't just about what's happening here in Manila. This is global, and it starts in private long before it shows up in places like this. So the question is, what are you feeding? Because what you tolerate eventually becomes what you empower. Men, this is our responsibility, and it's our fight, and it's time we become the solution.